Hello, my name is Paul, and today I want to talk about LeanBiome, an innovative supplement that can help with weight loss and improve overall body health. Before I start talking about the product, I would like to give a warning. It is very important that you buy the original product from the official website. Be very careful not to buy an adulterated product. I will leave a link in the video description to the official website with all the product information and also so that you can purchase the original product. So let's get started. LeanBiome is a probiotic supplement designed to promote healthy and natural weight loss. It combines beneficial probiotic strains with plant-based ingredients to help balance gut flora, which can significantly impact weight management and metabolic health. The main benefits of LeanBiome include 1. Natural weight loss. The probiotics in LeanBiome help rebalance gut microbiota, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption, which can lead to natural and sustainable weight loss. 2. Improved digestive health. By promoting a healthy gut, LeanBiome can reduce digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and abdominal discomfort. 3. Increased energy. With improved digestion and nutrient absorption, many users report increased energy levels and a general sense of well-being. 4. Reduced inflammation. The plant-based ingredients and probiotics help reduce inflammation in the body, contributing to better overall health. LeanBiome's ingredients include probiotic strains such as Lactobacillus gasseri, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, and Lactobacillus fermentum, along with plant extracts like green bean leaf. These ingredients are chosen for their beneficial properties for gut health and weight loss. Additionally, LeanBiome comes with a 180-day satisfaction guarantee. This means you can try the product risk-free, and if you are not satisfied with the results, you can request a full refund within this period. If you are looking for a natural and effective way to support your weight loss goals and improve your digestive health, LeanBiome might be the perfect solution for you. For more information, visit the official LeanBiome website. Click on the link in the description of this video.